This video goes over how to change the counting method on key events in GA4. First, start at analytics.google.com. Make sure you're in the admin page, which you can get to by clicking the bottom left tool icon. Scroll down and click Key Events. This is where all of your key events are listed. If you need to still mark events as key events, please watch that video on my YouTube channel. Find the key event that you would like to change the counting method of. For example, we'll click the Form Submit one. Click the three dots. Click Change Counting Method. It's defaulted to once per event. That's what's recommended by GA4. You could also change it to once per session. So for once per event, every single time someone fills out a web form on your web page during a single session, it will count each web form as an event. So if they fill out 3 web forms, it will count 3 times. If you switch it to once per session and they fill out 3 web forms in a single session, it will only count that event 1 time. Once you decide if you would like to change it, click Save, and then you'll be all set. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.